I have this beautiful 2-in-1 sensor made by X-Sense. It can detect smoke and it can also detect carbon monoxide. Not only its look and feel, but its battery life, which can last you up to 10 years, and it is also replaceable. So sensor, bracket mount, some screws, documentation, warranty card, detect smoke, which is caused by fire, so it can detect fire, or it can also detect carbon monoxide. A built-in speaker which has 85 decibel loudness, and it triggers an alarm so that you are aware that it shows real-time reading of carbon monoxide. Also an LED indicator which is used to convey you the battery life. There is an X-Sense app. You can integrate it with that app without any base station or gateway requirement. So once you have integrated it with the X-Sense app, you can share the access of this sensor with up to 12 family members or friends.